Hello, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
We're the Slow-Mo Guys, and today we're here to show you how to make some solid-looking slow-motion video.
For us, the first step is always what's going to look good in slow-mo.
Right, subject, very important. And I don't know about you, Dan, but since we started doing this, I can't help but look at the world in a completely different mindset. If anything happens in front of my eyes, I just need to know, like, will that look good in slow-mo?
I mean, every day, make a coffee, pour your milk in, looks amazing.
Yeah, look up in the shower. Even a human face is interesting.
And doing that's never been easier than with super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9. It's a phone.
So why don't we start with something delicious, like some slow-mo food? Dan, how good are you at catching food in your mouth?
I'm a pro, obviously.
Why don't we try a slow-mo selfie?
Okay.
Have we done that before?
No, we haven't. That sounds good.
I'll position you.
Okay, help me out.
So, actually, let's come around here.
All right.
For the light. Oh, there we go. Yeah, lovely.
Hush.
Okay, I'm going to start recording. Let's set auto around your face. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh! In the eye.
Right in the eye. Such a terrible aim.
Oh, I missed.
Close.
Yeah.
Oh!
You got a mouthful!
I got like 3 in there!
All right, let's see if that
worked.
worked.
A treat. Okay. Let's have a look.
Oh.
Oh!
That was a lot.
Oh, I got like 6 in there!
Look at that one, it went right to the back of your throat.
Oh. That was wicked.
All right, so I think the moral of this video is have a lot of fun and experiment with whatever you want to see in slow motion, and that's how you'll find what the good subjects are. Wouldn't you agree?
I think I'm just going to walk around just filming stuff.
Yeah. I think I'm just going to stand here and eat popcorn.
It's going to take me hours.